like Thailand?
Yes, this is very beautiful city. There is beautiful ladies and there is beautiful everything.
You like lady boys?
I like boys and ladies also.
Oh.
TV job. Hey, brother, you looking, you good, you beer good.
I have you.
Guys, what's up? Good evening, good morning, and how are you doing wherever you are watching from? This is Pattaya at night. Actually, time check is 11:40. Yeah, 11:40. So it is at night, and of course the streets are more dirty than usual. You know, they are more dirty like crazy. Yeah, man. So let me just take you around walking street. For starters, this is Pattaya Beach Road. Yes, this is Pattaya Beach Road. It's Pattaya Beach Road. All right. What's up? Where are you from?
I am from Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Yes.
Say hi in Pakistan.
Pakistan is good. Yes. Alhamdulillah, anything is good.
Okay, good. How long have you been here in Thailand?
Maybe some days. Maybe
Okay.
some 3 months, 2 months.
You like Thailand?
Yes, this is very beautiful city. There is beautiful ladies and there is beautiful everything.
You like lady boys?
I like boys and ladies also.
Oh.
TV job.
So you like two?
Yes, yes.
How are you?
Lady boy and girl.
And
Yeah.
oh यार यूट्यूबर है भाई.
Too much what?
बर्गर बना रहे हैं बर्गर बना रहे हैं आपको भाई.
You understand what is the cause?
Yeah.
What is the problem?
Very nice country.
Yeah, Thailand.
This channel is from
Yeah, Thailand is beautiful.
Thailand good.
What's your channel name?
My channel name
It's very nice. I like Thailand. I like people. I like Thailand.
I can see you have Muay Thai.
I like
Muay Thai
Thailand.
king.
I like people. Thai people good. Like Pattaya is good. Very nice.
Huh? I come from Uganda.
Uganda people. I love Uganda people. Nice people. Good people. Uganda.
Uganda, you same USA?
Huh?
USA?
Yeah.
USA.
No, me. Show.
You want to show?
Me, brother, you looking, you good, you beer good, you brother good, and that.
Oh, thank you so much. Guys, take care.
Take care. Bye bye.
Okay. So guys, those are friends that I've just met on Beach Road. One of them told me that they are from Pakistan. Yeah, so they are from Pakistan, and I think Pakistan is beautiful. I've not been there before, but I guess it is beautiful. Yeah. So let me continue just to show you around. Yeah. one.